here on the 8th floor seeing a very important company, MechOShade, and we want to look inside to see what they're unveiling for us. I'm here with Jan Berman, who runs the place, and he's going to run this segment to where we can really see what they've got in store for us. So Jan is the leader in solar shading. I'm not really seeing many shades back here, so why don't you tell me why the shades are up and what's going to maybe happen as they come down.
Well, thank you. What we're going to demonstrate is our new WhisperShade IQ motorized shade system. It is a very quiet but powerful shade system that has built-in communication capability and built-in intelligence. Part of that intelligence are intermediate positions that the shades can travel to. So we have in our display our logo across 4 motorized shades, but the shades are programmed to design at intermediate points that will allow our name to line up very precisely.
That's very cool, and that is ultimately customizable, so people can set the stop points wherever they choose?
Yes, the user can specify that those 3 intermediate positions can be custom set to line up with whatever architectural features they may want it to align with.
Right.
In addition, we have a uniform mode which would lock out the user from stopping the shade anywhere on the window except for the designers and users or owners' preset positions should they want to create a more uniform appearance on the outside of the building.
We all understand that in facilities with a lot of human beings. You want to control some of these aspects.
We want to control the look of the space, and this gives you that capability. Yeah. It features a motor that we've designed to our specifications in order to mitigate the noise and yet still utilize a very powerful motor. So we can drive a 6-window bay of 5-foot by 10-foot shades on one motor, which can significantly reduce cost to the user. We can also integrate this into AV systems as well as lighting control systems or building management systems very easily.
It's just fantastic. It's a great system, and when I think about some of the installations you've had, you know, whether it's out in Vegas at City Center or it's the Gehry building in New York and the thousands of shades sometimes you put in, it really becomes quite impressive, the scale of some of the work that you're doing here.
Thank you very much. The project featured behind the shades is the interactive corporate headquarters, which was specified by studios for the interiors, and Frank Gehry designed the outside of the building. And each window is a unique size and shape, and not only they tilted inward, but they have a curve and slightly twisted, so that the shade actually has to rotate slightly when it travels from the sill up to the head.
So the art of the building is really matched by the art of your products that are going inside.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it was quite a challenge, but it was a great project.
Fantastic. I know I love driving by it every time I'm on the West Side Highway. Once again, we want to unveil something very important, and this is going to be Acoust. And Jan, tell us what you have in your hands and what Acoust really is all about.
Thank you. Acoust is, first and foremost, a near blackout or dim out fabric. But it has a very unique property in that it's acoustically absorptive, and it has an NRC or noise reduction coefficient of 0.575. So it reduces the sound reverberations within a room, and so that's very unusual to get in a flat roller shade material.
That's a terrific value add, absolutely, for the designer and architect.
If you're working in a conference room or an auditorium that has glass, or other rooms where you need to reduce the sound echoes or reverberations, this is a product that can both darken the room but also absorb sound. We're happy to feature our new EcoVeil Naturals. It's an extension of our original EcoVeil cradle-to-cradle certified solar shade cloth.
This is a much broader collection of EcoVeils than you've ever had.
We're trying to expand the look and feel of the EcoVeil line. It also has a much softer hand as well.
It's terrific. Absolutely great. I noticed you've got this Green Guard insignia here, and I wanted you to tell me, why it's here and how you've earned it.
As of this past Friday, all our Thermoveil, Euroveil, and EcoVeil shade cloths receive Green Guard certification from the Green Guard Institute. We have been working with them for a number of years in this endeavor, and we're very pleased to have this in time for NeoCon this year.
That's a big announcement, so congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, terrific.
Yeah.